If your Ford Ranger turns the key but refuses to fire up, your day is on hold, but the fix might be simpler than you think. Statistically, 75% of no-start issues are simple electrical gremlins rather than major mechanical failures. Let us break down the diagnosis process into logical, manageable steps. Start by checking for loose battery terminals, verifying the truck is in park, and scanning for any stored fault codes. The most common culprits are typically a dead battery cell or a corroded ground strap that prevents power from reaching the starter. If the battery checks out, you might be looking at a failing starter motor or an internal issue with the ignition switch. You can handle basic connection cleaning at home, but internal starter or computer issues are often better left to a professional shop. As you can see, costs vary wildly depending on whether you are dealing with a simple maintenance item or a major component failure. For advanced troubleshooting, test your battery under load with a multimeter and try swapping the starter relay to rule out a simple switch failure. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including a multimeter and an OBD-I scanner, so you are always prepared for these unexpected driveway moments. Remember that safety is non-negotiable. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any electrical repairs to prevent accidental shorts. If these steps didn't get your Ranger running, it is time to call in a pro. Thanks for watching and keep your truck well maintained.